Hey there, folks! Today, we're going to dive into the world of making money online. Are you excited? I know I am. First up, let's discuss the Cash App. You can earn up to $50 by simply downloading and signing up for an account. How cool is that? Next on our list is the Swagbucks app. By taking surveys through this app, you can earn real money. Plus, you can sign up for a free $10 through their website. Talk about a win-win situation. Now, here's an app that pays you to do nothing but watch videos per TV. It's a great way to make some extra cash while you relax. For those who love playing games, Rewarded is an app that rewards you for playing your favorite games. You can earn points which you can then cash out for actual money or gift cards. It's a fun and engaging way to make money from the comfort of your home. Last but not least, the Kami app will help you save money on your everyday purchases by searching for deals and coupons before you shop online. It's a handy tool for anyone looking to save some cash. That wraps up our list of apps to help you make money online. Remember, it takes time and effort, but these apps can definitely help you earn some extra cash while enjoying yourself at home. So, what are you waiting for? Start downloading these apps and let the earning begin. Thank you so much for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more awesome content like this. Happy earning!